tell you what we're gonna do. Let's get our beans started because it takes longer than anything. Now, we make our own bacon. Here's a picture of us curing our own bacon in our own kitchen. And if you haven't done that,
so good.
What's it taste like?
Like sugar candy.
Beautiful, wonderful,
yeah.
Sugar cured bacon.
It's the best bacon ever. It's like candy almost.
There's nothing like it. Now, let me show you a little trick we did. Nick, if you can grab that. Now, we have taken some of my homemade bacon. Look at this right here. Now, something else we did, while this bacon was going at about 325 for about 20 minutes, I went ahead and put some peppers and onions on this plate and let it soak up some of that bacon grease because this is pasture-raised pork. We know where it came from. So a little bacon grease is just a wonderful thing. So what we're gonna do, because we've got our bacon out right here, we're gonna take our red bell pepper and onions, which have been over here essentially cooking, because we wanted to use this, we didn't want to turn our stove on tonight. We got everything done right here. So I'm gonna break this bacon up, put these pieces of pepper and onion in this with a little bacon grease. That's gonna be the base of our beautiful baked beans. So what we're gonna do is take our already cooked peppers and onions
and bacon grease.
And bacon grease.
A little bit of grease in there.
You gotta have that taste.
Good.
That'll be good, yeah. So now we're gonna take our bacon, and you can use as much bacon as you want. This was probably, what, 6 or 8 pieces of our bacon?
And between what you and Kelly snuck and ate, there were 8 pieces. I think we're down to 6.
Well, you can't stand around and starve to death.
Do you want these little or kind of bigger? Does it matter?
That looks about right.
Not good?
Oh,
yummy.
Oh. I just hope that some of y'all, we know some of you do it.
Make your own bacon.
But to make your own bacon is just a wonderful, you can do a 3-day, you can do a 5-day, you can do a 7-day cure.
Yummy.
And all those recipes we have out there.
It smells good
Now
already.
that in itself would be delicious.
But
we're gonna do better than that. So we're talking 28 ounces of whatever kind of beans you like. You can cook them yourself, or you can buy just a very bland store-bought pork and beans and make them your own deal. So another thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna come in, gotta have some sorghum or some molasses. Oh, that just reminds me of old-fashioned stuff right there. We did a show with a fella not too long ago. He calls it sorghum. Country fella, just as wonderful as he could be out in Casey County. I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of that in
enough?
there. Yeah.
Some barbecue.
I'm gonna take some of my barbecue sauce. I'm gonna put, you don't want to be soupy. I'm gonna put that's probably 1/4 of a cup in there. Now I'm gonna take some of my dry rub and I'm gonna put in here because it's got all the flavors I need to enhance this. Now, if you wanted to, you could put some brown sugar in there. Give me, those 2. Yep, perfect.
Good.
Yep, just sprinkle that around.
Enough?
Now we're gonna put that in the oven at about 350 and we're gonna go for about 2 hours.
Ready?
Oh.
Yummy.
Taste. Can you do it?
Can I try those?
The baked beans are beautiful.
Those look so good.
This is, food evokes memories.
That bacony flavor is really good
with our homemade bacon.
That's really good with the bacon flavor in it.
Oh.
That's going to be my favorite beans now too.
Tastes like Kentucky sorghum in there.